listen to us.
Hello?
We've had a call, haven't we? Because we want to come, otherwise there might be something going on here, so
Right.
we need to double check. I appreciate what you're saying about social distancing, so I'm keeping the distance.
Yeah, fuck off.
Right, so we need to check the rooms and make
Go,
sure
go,
nothing's going on.
go,
Right,
go.
what's your
Stay
name?
away from me.
What's your name?
Don't matter.
Well, we're going to find out anyway.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my
I
house?
have just explained to you.
What are you doing in my
I've
house?
just explained to you why we're here. We've had a call, there was a disturbance, that's why we're
Right,
here.
what, so you kicked me door in?
Should you have opened the
You-
door?
no.
We would have explained that to you.
No, I told you why I wouldn't open the door is because of what is going round this virus now.
Right.
Fuck off
Right.
and get out of here.
One time satisfied.
Look at you. You might have it. Fucking do
One
it.
time satisfied, everything's alright.
Go away. Come on. Get in here, dickhead. Go on, have a look.
We're just checking.
Have a look, dickhead.
Alright.
Yeah, yeah. No going on in here, is there? So what you been putting me door through for then?
We told you.
Fucking do one. You're fucking pathetic. Get out of here.
Have you got any
You've absolute disgrace. And you got
Keep
all
your
else to
distance.
do.
I thought you wanted to
You've
keep your
put my fucking door through.
Yeah, we have.
I hope you're gonna fucking. What are you gonna fucking do to that?
Have you got any reports?
Oh, shut your fucking mouth, you fucking brain dead cunt.
We'll be going
Get
now.
out. Fucking paid what, 20 grand a year to be a fucking knobhead? Fuck off. Get out. Of my fucking house. Get the fuck out. Lot of you. Bye. Bye. Fucking idiots. Brought me fucking door. Look at the fucking state of this. Huh? British fucking police. Look at the fucking state of it. You fucking knobheads. Fuck my life.